Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. Budget 2023 has given us a very clear signal to shift from tax saving mode to wealth creation mode. It's just a matter of whether we are ready to accept it or not. So now up to 7 lakhs of taxable income is effectively tax free in the new tax regime. And if you take a person earning 10 lakhs a year, then just to make the tax in the old regime equal to the new tax regime, that is the rules from 1st April 2023, you need 3 lakhs of tax deduction just to make the old tax equal to the tax from April 1st 2023 in the new tax regime. So that is like 3 lakhs of deduction, savings, etc., etc. All that is not necessary now. So it's a huge game changer, especially for young earners and also for HNIs, because the surcharge has dramatically decreased. So obviously the HNIs will shift to the new regime. Young earners also, I think this is fantastic because they are going to have more money in their hands. They don't need to lock it into some other investment and just for saving tax, and they're free to do whatever they want with it. And of course they should invest it prudently in a balanced asset allocation. So this is fantastic news. Of course, if you are a product manufacturer, then you are worried about losing business and so on, but that's fine. But as a taxpayer, this is great news. Of course, yes, for those who have got high HRA or those who are paying a huge home loan interest, yes, the old tax regime still makes a difference. But the point is, I mean, you can't buy a property just to save tax. That's stupidity. I mean, you can't say I'm going to go live in rent just to save tax. So those are all incidental. Just because such things are necessary for you in your life, for different aspects of your life, they're going to save tax. That's fine. You're going to take the old tax regime. That's fine. But overall, when you look at it, the message given to us is very clear. For whatever reasons the government is doing it, I don't know, but the government is telling us we don't need tax saving products anymore, and that's fantastic news. I had also talked about this in Times of India podcast. I will link the podcast in the comment section. So this is great news for us. We are going to have more money, especially young earners. They're going to have more cash in their hands, and this is the time to invest it prudently in a balanced asset allocation. I would say for young earners, an equity allocation of anywhere between 50 to 60% is enough for long-term goals. They can use just a simple index fund and focus on earning more money, earning more income, upgrading their skills, etc. So instead of worrying about how to save this, how to save tax, what should I buy to save maximum tax, all of that is gone. This is fantastic news for those who can appreciate this opportunity and make the best of it.